A sore throat causes irritation, scratchiness, and discomfort, making it hard to swallow food and drinks. It can result in pain and a burning sensation. Sore throats vary by location. Laryngitis affects the voice box, causing redness and swelling. Tonsillitis targets the soft tissue at the back of the mouth. Pharyngitis develops behind the mouth. Sore throats can be caused by different factors such as infections, diseases, and certain environmental factors. Infections and diseases that can give rise to a sore throat include common cold, chickenpox, gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, measles, and flu. The environmental factors may include dry air, allergies, and air pollution caused by chemicals or other irritants. The symptoms of a sore throat can vary based on what caused its development. Best foods for sore throat. 1. Honey. Honey has been used for medicinal needs for ages. It has awesome plant compounds and nutrients which can offer many health benefits. It also possesses antifungal and antibacterial properties that can aid in the healing of sore throats. Honey can speed up the healing of wounds and can help ward off infections. The other benefits that you can also get from honey include improved cholesterol level, lowered blood pressure, reduced triglycerides levels, improved heart health, and suppressed cough. 2. Pomegranates. Research has shown that pomegranate juice contains nutrients that can reduce inflammation and eliminate infections. This delicious fruit is packed with antioxidants and astringents that make body tissue contract and reduce swelling around the throat, thereby reducing the pain. It contains plant compounds that can ward off fungal and bacterial infections. Pomegranates contain several other nutrients like vitamin K and C, folate, potassium, fiber, and protein. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, made from fermented apples, is a popular natural remedy with antibacterial properties that can soothe the sore throat and cold. It's rich in beneficial compounds that may aid weight loss, lower cholesterol, improve diabetes symptoms, reduce blood sugar levels, fight harmful bacteria, and enhance skin health. 4. Scrambled eggs. Eggs are considered a superfood, packed with nutrients like protein, selenium, phosphorus, folate, choline, iodine, healthy fats, and vitamins A, D, E, B2, and B12. Including eggs in your diet can raise good cholesterol, provide omega-3 fatty acids, support weight loss, boost immune function, improve eye health with antioxidants, and reduce heart disease risk. Scrambled eggs are particularly good for a sore throat, as they are soft and easy to swallow. 5. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful remedy for sore throats due to its anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce pain, irritation, and inflammation. It can speed up recovery and boost immunity by fighting the viruses that often cause sore throats. Additionally, ginger offers other health benefits, such as treating nausea, aiding weight loss, relieving osteoarthritis and chronic indigestion, lowering cholesterol levels, and easing menstrual pain. 6. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a perfect food to eat if you are sick. It is a healthy grain, gluten-free, and is loaded with important antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and fiber. It is suitable for sore throat because it is easy to consume and does not irritate the throat. Oatmeal can enhance the function of the immune system by helping the body combat illness. This excellent grain contains folate, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids that can accelerate the healing process of sore throats. With sore throats, it is advised that you stay away from foods that can further irritate your throat. Refrain from consuming spicy foods, raw vegetables, sodas, coffee, and acidic foods. Instead, eat foods that are easy to swallow and soft. Consuming foods that have a soft texture can help you limit irritation. Also, make sure you include the right beverages and warm foods in your diet, as these can help you get relief from burning and scratchiness in your throat.